Welcome back to 50 Car. Imagine a sanctuary on wheels, where opulence meets adventure. The 2025 Cadillac Motorhome Concept is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling masterpiece, blending futuristic design with home-like comfort. Cadillac's vision of the ultimate road trip machine is here, promising an unparalleled experience for travelers who demand both performance and luxury. Exterior design, a bold statement in motion. The aerodynamic body features sleek LED strips that flow along its contours, merging futuristic elegance with robust engineering. The front grille, adorned with an illuminated Cadillac emblem, gives it a dominant presence. Large, adaptive panoramic windows enhance visibility while reinforcing its ultra-modern aesthetic. The integrated solar panels on the roof provide sustainable energy, ensuring off-grid capability. Pros: stunning aesthetics, advanced lighting, and self-sustaining energy. Cons: large dimensions may limit city maneuverability. Interior and dashboard, a palace of comfort. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a spacious, high-tech lounge wrapped in premium leather, wood, and ambient lighting. The fully automated cockpit features a curved 20-inch OLED screen, controlling navigation, entertainment, and climate settings. The smart kitchen, complete with an induction cooktop and refrigerator, turns travel into a 5-star experience. The rear transforms into a private bedroom, offering first-class relaxation. Pros: unmatched comfort, high-tech cockpit, and home-like amenities. Cons: high-tech features may require learning for non-tech-savvy users. Performance, power, and precision. Powered by a twin-electric motor setup, this zero-emission powerhouse delivers 800 horsepower, propelling it effortlessly despite its size. A 600-mile range ensures extended journeys, while autonomous driving and air suspension provide a seamless, stress-free ride. Pros: powerful long-range and ultra-smooth ride. Cons: charging infrastructure still evolving for long-distance EVs. Final verdict: the Cadillac Motorhome Concept is for those who seek freedom without sacrificing luxury. Competing with Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo and Airstream Interstate, it redefines the art of travel.